Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. I have come again today. Wow, you can see that food. You can see it. So yummy. So yummy. Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel once again. How are you guys? I hope you guys are good, wonderful. God, thank you, God, for today. So, guys, today I've come again to show you how I make my beans with sweet potato. So before I continue, let me greet all my subscribers, my old and my new subscribers, for your help, for your support in this channel. Thank you for helping your one and the only Chikwado space. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Guys, if today is your first day of stopping by in this channel, just continue watching, but don't forget to subscribe. Consider to subscribe to this channel. Make this channel your personal channel where you can learn many things. We can reason together and do many things together. So guys, you can see here, this is potato and the onions. I have already chopped the onions. I'm going to blend it, and this is the fresh tomato, and this is the dry fish here. You can see them, and this is salt and the pepper, and this is crayfish. I have to wash the crayfish and blend it, and this is groundnut oil, sunflower oil, and the last but not the least is the beans itself. You can see I have cooked the beans. I use Schnell cooker, which they call in English pressure pot, to cook it. You can see it's already done. So just watch how I prepare this wonderful and delicious potato with beans. You know, beans is very good food. It's good for the children. Potato also, sweet potato also is a very good for kids. Some of you, I know you know what this gives. I will write all the things it gives in the description below. You can go there and read what this can give you in your body. Thank you so much, and stay tuned, guys. Continue watching. Love you all.